Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm gonna be guiding you through how to change your name in CarX Drift Racing 2 on your mobile device. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, open up the CarX Drift Racing 2 application from your mobile device and make sure that you are inside this main home screen. Now, click on the gear icon at the top of the screen and click on the profile icon at the top. This will now open up your profile section. Click the pencil icon located on the right hand corner right next to your player's avatar and then click on the text box and type down a new name you want to change for yourself. Once you are done, click on Done, and there you have successfully changed your name in CarX Drift Racing 2. Your new name will be displayed the next time you join a race or drift event. That is how you easily update or change your CarX Drift Racing 2's profile name. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.